Katniss naman. Parang yung sa Hunger Games, The Girl on Fire. For such a small package, talagang there's such a very artistic soul there. She delivers her vocals with such finesse and clarity and cleanliness na sobrang honestly, sobrang nahirapan talaga kami pumili. But a decision had to be made. But sobrang saya kami na na-save siya, na-steal siya ni Coach Billy. And I think she's in very good hands.